Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Today we'll see most important chapter of cost accounting, job costing. Unit cost, job cost, both are in one unit. If you see the syllabus of your course, unit cost, job cost, why? Both are almost similar. In unit cost, what we have learned? If any product is prepared, maybe a bulk quantity or whatever may be the quantity, okay, so for that product we used to calculate per unit how much it is, per unit how much it is, that we have calculated in unit cost. Now job cost is different. Job cost means if any particular job, a particular assignment, a particular expectation from the customer, for that purpose we have to give the delivery. Job costing. Most of the time job costing is different from any other costing because say we have products, we have lots of products, but customer is not expecting the same products what we have produced. We have already produced, but they are not expecting. They have some specifications. They are expecting something. So that specifications according to their wish, according to their demands, we have to prepare different product or different assignment we are going to deliver to the customer. Means customized product, customized work we are delivering to the customer. That is why we say it as a job costing. Particularly that first customer is expecting something from us, we are ready to give him that is particular job. This is not going to match with other jobs. One customer. Now second customer entered into our business and he is saying I want customized product of this and so date so and so products and my specifications are like this. He is second customer. For him also we are ready to deliver our products, but according to the second customer wish, particular job means every customer whatever they are expecting, according to that we are going to deliver the products or services. That is why we say it as job cost. That particular customer A is expecting, for A we say job number 1, whatever A is saying that we are going to deliver to A only, not to anyone. So job number 1. In the same way B wants another customized services or products, then we can say job number 2. Every job is differs from another job, every job is different. Are you getting it? So in one shot what we can say about job costing is, job costing is a system of costing used to find out the cost of non-standard jobs. Remember this word. Job costing means nothing but costing used to find out the cost of non-standard jobs. This is non-standard, not standard. Standard means only same product, same quality, same pattern we are going to deliver. But every product, every service is different. That is why we say it as non-standard jobs. Costing which is prepared to calculate the non-standard jobs. Each job we have to prepare separately. Now for job costing what is needed is pro forma of cost sheet. Cost sheet we have already prepared in our cost accounting playlist. You can find out. If you are finding difficult, I'll give you in the playlist. Cost sheet pro forma you must follow. Same cost sheet pro forma we are going to follow. For every job we are preparing separate cost sheet. Job cost sheet we can say it as. Are you getting it? Now today we'll see theory part of job costing, which is very much important. In examination point of view, you may expect a essay question or short question. So you must have knowledge. So job costing, what is job costing? You got an understanding. For every job, we are going to prepare cost sheet. According to the specification, according to the requirement, that we'll be preparing cost sheet, same cost sheet formula, but you have preparing separately. Job number 1 cost sheet, job number 2 cost sheet, like this you'll be preparing. Okay, now this is the definition in short you can say. Now what are the features of job costing? We'll see. First thing is that each job separately identifiable. Each job is separate. Job number 1 is different from job number 2. Job number 2 will be different from if you are going for job number 3. Like each job is identifiable and separate, okay, because their expectations, customer expectations, customized services, customized product, we are going to give it to the customer particularly, so that is why it is separately identifiable. Okay, next feature is each job is unique, special characters. Each job is unique, his expectations are different, so this is unique. This is not going to match with any other job, so that is why each job is unique and it is having special characters. Their expectations are different, their product is different, and their quality is different, their features are different, so that is why each job is having special characters. Next feature, you can say each job has separate cost sheet. Just now I told you cost should be prepared, but for each job separate cost sheet we are going to prepare, because for that particular job how much we got the expenses, how much is the cost we are spending, and according to that we'll charge some profit, then after that we are going to take that amount from the customer. That is why each job is separate. Okay, and this we can say it as a job order number. For job 1, job order number, what is that number? Some number will be allocating, that number will be writing. Okay, so each cost unit will be allocating some job number also. Next one, no inventory like opening stock and closing stock. Each job is different, isn't it? So there is nothing like opening stock. How do you get opening stock? From the last year's closing stock. If leftover any stock is there, then we'll say it as a closing stock. Here job is different. For that particular job, how much material is required, we'll provide it, we'll use it, that's it. There is no opening stock or closing stock, no inventory in job costing. Are you getting this point? Next one, jobs are generally costed after the completion of job. They take the quotation from the customer, but they charge after completion of the work. It cannot be estimated. Somewhat estimation it is with the company itself only, but they cannot give the estimation or quotation to the customers. They take the quotation from the customer. How do they charge? After completion of the work. Remember this, after completion of the work means each job how much it is going to cost, some variations will be there. So they can't say exactly the cost will be this much. That is why they don't charge in the initial stage, they don't say anything very clearly. So they charge. Jobs are generally costed after completion of the job and may not be continuous. This job may not be continuous. A has ordered some product, any specific product he has ordered. So this product is delivered. That may not be continued. He got the product, over, that job is finished. May not be continued. Sometimes, very rarely, he may get back to the company and saying the same customized product, I want it. Then in such case, it can be continuable. Otherwise, it is separate. Job is over, the transaction is over, everything is completed. No continuation. So these are the main features of job costing. If you see objectives, we are going for job costing. What are the main objects? What we have to keep it in our mind? How we have to proceed it? What are the objectives? In objectives, we can discuss total 7 points. First one is to ascertain the cost of each job. Ascertain the cost of each job. Cost of each job to find out profit or loss of that job. This job we are preparing. Job number 1 cost sheet we are preparing. What we wanted to find out? Cost of each job. What is the cost? What is the cost we are getting it? Now according to that, whether we are going to get the profit or loss will come to know. If you promise to the customer that we are going to deliver this job at the cost of 5 lakh rupees and after 6 months, if that is the case, first thing is we have to prepare this job cost sheet. How much it is coming it? Then according to that, is it 5 lakh or is it crossing 5 lakh? If it is crossing 5 lakh means it will be what? It will be loss. Very clear. So that is why we need to find out. First objective is that cost of each job, find out it. According to that, we may proceed or we may not. Second object is proper quotation can be taken from the customer. Proper quotation, please remember this point. Why proper quotation? What customer is saying, it will be written in the quotation given by the customer. In the quotation, you have to write very clearly, you must know very clearly what product he is expecting, specifications, and any other things he mentioned it related to the product, when we have to deliver the product, quality of the product, everything is written in the quotation given by the customer. This proper quotation you have to take. According to that, we'll be proceeding for the job cost. Clear? Now, third objective is that to track the progress of each job. Each job we have to track the progress of each job. Track it and take the corrective action if necessary. We have taken some order from A, job number 1, job number B. Both the jobs are in process. What we have to do? Track this progress of each job. Track it, how it is going on. If it is slow, not doing well, quality is not good, workers are not regular, something is lagging, machine is not working well, any problem is there, then take the corrective action also. You have to track that each job, because we have to deliver on time with the expected customized product by the customer. And next thing is that to ascertain the work in process in different jobs. What is the work in process of each job? Different job you have to find out. For job number 1, what is the work in process? Work in process means nothing but the raw material and also finished goods and work in process. Out of these, work in process, raw material you will come to know what is the cost, and finished goods also you will come to know, but work in process, that calculation also we need to be very careful while calculating job costing. Next one, to help the management in finding out estimated cost and actual cost. Please remember, we wanted to help the management to find out estimated cost and actual cost. Estimated cost, something we have prepared. Estimated for this job number 1, estimated around 5 lakh rupees, as we thought 5 lakh rupees we estimated. Estimated is 5 lakh. Actual how much? Actually, if it is 4 lakh, then that will be profit. How much is the profit? Actually is, if it is 4 lakh, then what will be the profit? Profit is 1 lakh, difference between these two. If actually is 6 lakh, then 1 lakh will be the loss. We may reject it, isn't it? That is why, to help the management, what is the actual and what is the standard? What we have expected, actual how much it is happening. So that is estimated and actual cost, that should be given to the management so that we may proceed or we may not. And another objective is that to identify profitable, non-profitable jobs. Identify it. What kind of job? Is it a profitable or non-profitable? When it will be profitable? If actually is 4 lakh and 5 lakh is the 5 lakh we are charging, then it is profitable. If it is more than 5 lakh, anything, maybe 5 lakh 50, 5 lakh 70, 6 lakh, 6 lakh, whatever it may be, more than the cost, that would be non-profitable. So identify profitable or non-profitable. Non-profitable means reject it or charge more. So this is one of the important object. Another one is that to make appropriate changes to the amount chargeable to the customers. To make appropriate changes, we have to make changes. Job cost is prepared. Job cost is prepared. Now, what customer is going to pay? If customer is going to pay less, then make appropriate changes. Tell them that this is what happening. Now, according to that, we are going to charge so much. It should be flexible always. If customer is rigid, does not want to take any kind of changes, then what to do? You have to decrease somewhere something, then customize it according to the requirement of the customer, and at the same time we have to see the profit also. So that is why they have to be very careful. They have to be get ready for changing any kind of appropriate changes, minor or major changes. Get ready, because job we do not want to lose. Every job we want to accept. If it is crossing our limits, then we are not going to accept this job. Clear, simple features of job costing and objectives. So these features and objectives, if you think it generally, just remember these points. In examination, easily you can write. Need not to worry. Take a screenshot. In the coming class, we'll see the job costing process. Then after that, we'll go for the practical problems. There are many subjects which already covered in our channel. Please check out the playlist and practice well. Don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.